Hey guys, RealMelTan here. Today we're going to do something really special. We're going to talk about AMD Ryzen's 5-year anniversary as well as give away some amazing AMD Ryzen merchandise. Okay, before we go on to the amazing giveaway, let's talk about what has happened in the last 5 years for AMD. So let's all go back to the past 2017 when AMD Ryzen first launched. We knew that back then Intel, the blue side, was in the lead with their, for example, CPU such as 4 cores and 4 threads. No one actually required more than that, and the idea of having more than 4 cores and 4 threads is just something no one could really understand. Why would you need so much computing power? But anyway, even if you needed such computing power, you need to take out your wallet, spend a lot more money on higher HDD systems. And number two, even you had a HDD platform, you may not make use of all of the lanes and all the features that you have on a HDD motherboard. With that, when AMD introduced its Ryzen CPU, the whole landscape changed. Computing went mainstream. Everyone could access higher core counts, higher thread counts in a very typical mainstream CPU. Game developers make use of these higher core counts and thread counts to create nicer, bigger worlds, nicer graphics, nicer games. And for example, things like YouTube became more mainstream. Content creators could easily edit faster, share their things faster. All this changed when AMD Ryzen first came about. Now let's go on to the next milestone. When Ryzen 2000 came up, the big thing here with Ryzen 2000 is the introduction of PBO, or Precision Boost Overdrive. If you were in this overclocking industry, you know that overclocking is an ass. It's got a hassle to do so. PBO basically make overclocking very simple. So you don't have to manually overclock all of your cores now that you have a smart tool to actually help you to overclock all at the same time and giving you the best advantage for your CPU and for your system. So next, going on to Ryzen 3000, we see the introduction of 8 cores to 16 cores, 32 threads on the 3950X. Wow. This 3950X was the pinnacle of content creation. And with that, they also introduced the new chipset X570, which comes with PCIe 4.0 support. So now you can have your PCIe 4.0 devices working on this new motherboard. Whole powerful suite, the new CPU, more power GPUs. The world is your oyster. Going on to the next generation, what we all see right now, the Ryzen 5000 series. Definitely new upgrades, higher IPCs from Ryzen 3000 to Ryzen 5000. You guys are all familiar with it. We've done a lot of reviews on that. So yeah, going forward, next year, 2022, we hear rumors that Zen 4 is going to come out, or whatever, Zen 3 Plus, I don't know. I mean, Zen 4, PCIe 5 support, DDR5, and also what's cool is they're going to retain LGA 1200 AIO support for the new socket. So yeah, pretty cool. Look forward to that. As for myself, I used to be more of an Intel goer, but buying my first PC here from Typho Systems, the guys at Typho Systems introduced me to AMD Ryzen. Yeah, they showed me the world, showed me how great AMD Ryzen is definitely for content creation. I do a lot of Premiere Pro, now trying DaVinci Resolve. So yes, the 2600X that I've been using ever since then helped me go through this phase, create amazing videos for you guys, and game and work at the same time, even though I don't really do that. Yeah, so going forward, hope to update this new CPU soon. It's showing its live. So let's see what's going on in 2022. Okay, let's now go on to the part where you guys want to know what is it that you can win if you join this giveaway. So it comes in a very nice box. You can see that it's AMD Ryzen's 5th year anniversary. Inside you get Santa hat. Kind of late already, Christmas is kind of over, but I guess you can use this hat for Christmas 2022. A nice thank you card from the AMD Asia Pacific of AMD Ryzen. Thank you for supporting AMD Ryzen for the last 5 years. Inside, the big gift, a nice windbreaker that shows off AMD Ryzen. If you guys like your AMD memorabilia, make sure to get for this one. And also you also see a nice pen with the logo, AMD's logo, and accompanying it with a nice stick journal where you can write out all your thoughts and all of your things of what you think about AMD Ryzen. Yeah, so if you want to join this giveaway, just follow all the instructions in the link below. Don't spam me with comments of what to do and what not to do. All the instructions will be inside. You need to be subscribed and you need to follow all of the instructions in the description below to be a part of this giveaway. There will only be 5 winners for this giveaway, so don't miss out your chance to win this amazing AMD Ryzen cool merchandise. So if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to really win this, make sure to subscribe and complete all of tasks you see in the description box. Yes, so thank you all and hope you win one of this cool stuff.